How to add and customize text in Wix Studio. In order to do that, click on this plus icon in order to open your elements. Now, for this one, just look for the option called title, since this will have your text. You can also add in your paragraph if you want, in which case you just need to choose which one. So I'll just head over and then just click on it and then drag it right here. And then once it's been added, you can see it here right there. So you can click on this edit text in order to edit this text right here. Now for this one, you can choose the proportionality, the style, or you can also just add the actual layout for this. So for example, let's put in your pop. And then if you want to change the actual font, you can click on this font right here and then change the font option for this one. Make sure to just click on it first before you change it right there. So that's how you add and customize text in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.